Hey, what's up, Promote Style fam? Welcome back to the channel where we explore the latest in fashion and sneakers. Today, we've got something truly special. The Jordan 3 Retro SP Nina Chanel Abney Bicoastal. This pair has been creating a lot of buzz, and I can't wait to dive into the details with you all. As we open the box, the first thing you notice is the meticulous attention to detail. The Jordan 3 Retro SP Nina Chanel Abney Bicoastal features premium materials, with a stunning mix of textures and colors that truly stand out. Now, let's talk about the comfort and fit. The Jordan 3 Retro SP Nina Chanel Abney Bicostal doesn't just look good, it feels amazing on your feet. The cushioning is top-notch, providing excellent support for everyday wear or casual outings. And the fit? It's true to size. Hugging your feet comfortably without feeling too tight. This pair is perfect for anyone looking to make a statement while staying comfortable. Wondering how to style these beauties? The versatility of the Jordan 3 Retro SP Nina Chanel Abney Bicoastal is one of its standout features. You can rock these with a casual outfit. Think jeans and a tee for a laid-back look. Or dress them up with a stylish jacket and tailored pants for a more sophisticated vibe. These sneakers are a perfect addition to any wardrobe, offering endless styling possibilities. For more detailed insights and updates on the latest sneaker releases, be sure to check out our website, linked in the description below. We cover everything from in-depth reviews to the latest fashion trends, ensuring you stay ahead of the game. Plus, you'll find exclusive content and deals you won't want to miss. Thanks for tuning into this unboxing and review of the Jordan 3 Retro SP Nina Chanel Abney Bicoastal. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know in the comments what you think about these sneakers. Don't forget to subscribe to Promote Style and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep promoting your style.